Hi there guys, welcome back to Crypto Rise, the home of crypto news, and today we're going to do another daily update on Quant. I haven't done one in a couple of days, but as you can see, Quant has gone down to 159. Before we get into the video, remember the giveaway is still available, so remember, like, subscribe, put on your notifications, and make sure in any of the comments on these videos, put your name down, say that you've done all the things that I've just said right there. And now let's get straight into the news. So with Quant, there's been many interesting articles that we're going to be looking at, but if we just look at the chart at the moment, if we look on a daily basis, it's gone up. It's been recovering from its price. It's retraced a lot, and this is on a daily chart. So you can just see, look, from the 17th of October, it went down a bit. It went to 167. It went back up to 190, but look, it's trailing down. And if you can see right here, it's at 159 at the moment, which isn't that great. But at the same time, if you were to look at a week chart, it's not that bad, because if we were to dip at 159, maybe even to 130, the dip that would have been created would be lower than all of these ones. So the ones at like $80 or even $100, and even here, even this little dip here, 95, it will be higher than all of these dips. So I think, because look, it's hit this point once, I think there could be a nice resistance at 150. I don't think it will drop down by more than 150. Yeah, that's what I can tell from right now. Let's see what the comments have to say about it. QNT is about to move up by long, and this was just an hour ago. Quant itself is still in a bull market. The correction is normal. Idiots here talk about crashes and $100 Quant. Lol, not going to happen. UK is going to be on board for CBDC with Quant this month. Is the ISO 2022 launch, and Quant is one of them. Also, Binance, the biggest exchange, is listing Quant sometime this week. So if a big exchange normally releases a coin on its exchange, and normally around the release date, that's when a lot of hype comes up, because it kind of shows that the community for that coin and the project itself is a very good project. Like, if people are considering putting it on their exchange, it has to be worth talking about and a sustainable project. They wouldn't want people to invest into coins that are like gonna lose you money and aren't a good investment, because normally those coins wouldn't be on the market if they were gonna just solely be there to dump. You get me? So that's bullish news, because it's true. When that happens, most likely the price will go up. It's not going to go down, and I doubt it's going to go to $100. As I've been saying in other videos, maybe my price predictions have been not the greatest, but at the moment it's looking strong, because people they emphasize the point that the next dip that will happen, it won't be as severe as the others that we've seen. I don't think it will drop down to $98 or $80. Maybe it'll be close to 100, but not lower than 100. But that's what we can see from now on. So I'm bearish on Quant, says Dan F. Zolaton. He's bearish, but he's not giving any analysis why. Quant, the project is in a bull market, and analysts say that's true. Analysts do say that. Quant to be listed on Binance UK, open for trading starting tomorrow. So tomorrow it's going to be listed on Binance US. I think it will rise. If it gets listed on Binance US, then it will definitely pump up in price. It won't stay down there. QNT to catapult in the next few days. Load up before the train leaves. That's a lot of good bullish news. Quant, I said it weeks ago, we're in a bear market. Coins won't pump non-stop. Been in this market since 16. December, Jan has always been blood month. We may see small pump in November, but come right back down. You will have your chance to buy Quant below again. I'm super bullish on this project, but some of the newbies in crypto need to get real. Big players in this market love bear markets, and bear markets last years. We're not due till 2024 at least. So what he's saying is that even though Quant is at a low price right now, or it's getting lower and it has its few dips here and there, people should invest into it, or there will be chances to invest into them at some point. But we still remained in a bear market, so there shouldn't be any worry about having to think that the coins will pump without you investing. There's always going to be opportunity. So what he's saying, there won't be like a big pump in a coin until 2024, where we come out of the bear market stage and we go into the bullish market. So he's trying to say that we have time. People that are new into the crypto game, they should take a step back and analyze more, do more research around what they want to do. So now let's go and get into some interesting news articles that I've found. So Quant price prediction drop $150 will be followed by massive increase. So this is bullish news again, as you can see clearly, and this was posted on 31st of October. QNT has broken from a long-term resistance line, which is true. There's a support at 150, which I said. The weekly and daily RSI are bullish, which is good news. The Quant QNT crypto price is nearing the end of its short-term correction, after which a significant upward movement is expected. So it's trying to say that it's going to pump soon. It's come to where it was at a correction, but now it's looking like it's going to go on back on the rise. On June 15, the QNT price broke out from a descending resistance line that had previously been placed since the September 2021 all-time high. Breakouts from such long-term structures usually indicate that the preceding movement isn't complete and a move in a different direction has begun. So that's what it's trying to say. Is good news, trying to say that because it's broken out from that position, it's only likely to create another resistance higher than what it's already had. The increase cumulated with a $281.10 high on October 17. This was a very close to 0.5 fib retracement resistance of $237.50. Since then, the QNT price has been decreasing and has nearly reached $150 horizontal support area. Since the area provided resistance, the red icons, prior to the breakout, is now expected to provide support, so green bars. Besides the price action, the weekly RSI also gives a bullish QNT price prediction. The indicator has moved above 50, validated the line as support, so green icon, and continued its upwards movement. There is no bullish divergence in place yet. So they're not saying there's going to be one yet, but at the moment it's looking good. As a result, the trend remains bullish as long as QNT does not close below the 150 horizontal support area. I don't think it's going to close below 150, but let's see. Look back at the market. It's 159. I doubt it's going to go any lower, because if we go back to a day chart, it's around 160. I don't think it will go any lower, because look, it says there's a resistance line here. If it were to go through it, I doubt it will go any lower. It has to find another resistance, so it will find it below. So let's go to a 4-hour chart, and there's one here, 159. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the resistance at 159, 160, and I don't think it will go any lower than that. I think it will bounce off of that resistance line and just go higher. You could predict it to go maybe 170, maybe higher, but I doubt it will go below this resistance line. It won't break through. Only if it stops below it, it closes off below it, then maybe we'll see even like smaller drop-offs. But let's see what the next resistance line will be. Let's go to like a 1 hour. There's no other ones below that, so if it was to break below the 159, 150, it would only realistically go lower than that, and anything lower than that would be bad, but I doubt it will go that low. I doubt it will do that. The next one is, it's about 155, but I don't see it going lower than that. Let's not fear too much. QNT price prediction correction is reaching its end. The movement since June shows the price of QNT is completing a fourth wave pullback. The most likely level for the correction to complete is at $150 in the middle of the ascending channel from which QNT broke out. Afterwards, the final portion of the increase could take the future price of QNT between $255 and $275. So like what we're looking for, the prediction here, they're trying to say is 255 to 270. I feel like that's pretty good. That's a decent price. So if people wanted to invest now, obviously do your own research. I'm not trying to say this is financial advice, but if you guys wanted to, you could definitely invest in this. Let's go onto the next article. This released yesterday, November the 1st. Quant, moderate volatility and rising Tuesday. Is it time to cash out? Let's see. QNT is a relatively average in terms of volatility when compared to other cryptocurrencies. So far, Tuesday's cryptocurrency has increased 0.59% to $165. It's dropped down to $159 at the moment. Investors Observer give Quant a moderate volatility rank of 53, placing it in the top 47 cryptos on the market. So it's trying to say that it's not overly influenced by the sudden spike or two in volatility, but QNT's moderate validity readings pair with a low reading on a risk/reward gauge, meaning that the token has moderate price swings and is well protected from the price manipulation. Quant price is favorably positioned going forward, so it's true it's going up, with support near 160 and resistance at 170. This leaves Quant with room to run before facing selling pressure. So what he's trying to say, it's not a bad investment, there's not much risk in it. I feel like it's just going to be pumped. I feel like there's going to be more people joining in, they're going to be buying more tokens. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to hit the like, subscribe, and make sure to come back to the next video.